Okay, Crystal and I are walking from the Buttonwood campground to the marina at Bahia Honda State Park. Somebody's flying a drone, which is strictly prohibited. See the drone?
Yes.
That is strictly prohibited. Otherwise, I'd be flying mine. So evidently, it's somebody that has permission. There's the snorkel boat.
Either that or they can't read.
No, you can get your drone confiscated for doing exactly that. So I would say they probably have permission. That's the snorkel boat.
Sea guy.
It's just sitting there filming. This is RV parking. So what's cool, if you come in here to this park and you can't find no other place to park, you got to be out by dark. But there you go. You can park in any one of these spots.
See, this dude's parked in the RV park.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be.
Well, he's probably with his boat. Don't touch, water, chase, or feed us. Hello. How you doing?
Pretty well, yourself?
Good. Yep, these sites over here are nice for your boat. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised that the drone's flying.
You see that wind?
Mm-hmm. This is a cool boat here.
It's howling through the...
Oh, this is the one I said earlier.
No, it isn't.
Oh, it ain't?
No.
This is a Ranger tug. This isn't the Albin.
No, the Albin's gone.
Ooh, I like this one too. Little Blue.
The Albin was sitting right
Yeah. This one would be cool. Port Charlotte. He's a little ways from home. Nice enclosure.
Hear that? Howling through his sails.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the only bad thing about over here is all the seaweed.
There's a lot of it. Check it out.
There's a little bit of seaweed. This is the snack bar and dive shack. Oh, I gotta read this on the way by. Tree Colony, Bahia Honda Key. Oh, it says continued from other side. So, since about 1870, botanists from all over the world have been visiting Bahia Honda Key to study the plants brought here by the birds, the hurricane winds, and the ocean waves from all the islands of the West Indies and the Caribbean seas. The very rare plants that are found growing. Wow. I will have to take a picture of that. Okay. So we're gonna go this way. How far is sublet? Manitowoc, Wisconsin, 1675. Okay. Probably go to the beach next. Crystal, I'm heading towards the beach. Nice breeze today. Medium hazard, moderate surf conditions. No lifeguard. Want to walk down the beach? Or it's too sandy? Yeah, it's too sandy. It gets sand in my shoe. Well, they don't really have a choice because it's a public beach. No pets allowed.
There's absolutely no pets.
And then looks like
it all over the place.
is where you can put your butts when you smoke. Oh, no seagrass on the beach. Cool. Every sign tells a story. No collecting. Rip currents. You could definitely get caught in a current if you went out by them boats. It would sweep you away to the left. No kayaks or paddle boards in this area. There's where we're heading. Up there. We gotta look at the sand sculpture. Nature Center is still closed. What might we see if we snorkel? Queen conch, vase sponge, spiny lobster, sea star, sea urchin, damselfish, sergeant major, cowfish, grunt, and needlefish. This is the world's coolest sandcastle. Sound of sunset. That's a conch shell to boot. Look, they got corals over here. That's what you see when you go scuba diving and snorkeling. Okay. I'm gonna hit the overseas railroad trail. The hawksbill sea turtle. Definitely taking the long way up. But that's okay. This would be my part of the beach. Over here by myself with the waves lapping, the sun shining. Yeah, I think they're down there, maybe. I don't know. Somebody's walking down there.
Oh, there's one of them.
Oh yeah, purple flower.
No, that's a... They said it was
Morning glory. There's a green buttonwood. I didn't even know there was. I knew there was silver ones. They call it a green mangrove. Airplane. Well, when you're young, you got energy and you can run.
I wasn't talking about the kids.
Okay, Overseas Railroad Trail. Look, they're at the end of the trail. Okay, I gotta start the long climb. Up here was the purple butterflies, if you remember.
Yeah, I found them.
They were playing in the bush. That's your knicker bean. Coconut palm. Anybody knows what that is? Whoa, those look pretty mean. Okay. Yeah, last time I was over here, they had some endangered butterflies. They might be on the other side today. Ooh, we gotta climb.
The knicker bean pods are a host for the Miami blue butterfly.
Cool.
That's why they don't want them.
Don't trim them.
Trim them and cut them off. Because the butterfly's endangered.
Okay, there he is. The Miami blue butterfly. We'll find one. Because they were here last time we were here.
They're tiny.
Yep. They're pretty small. And they're endangered. Kind of hard to find. All aboard. Nice here because I'm in the shade with a nice breeze. Boy, that breeze feels good, don't it?
Yeah.
I think that's that Albin trawler right there.
I don't think they're going to be out till then. It's too late.
Can you imagine driving your car over that thing?
Didn't your grandma?
I don't know.
Well, you've got photographs or
I'll have to ask her someday.
films. You got them films.
Well, I could look at the films too.
I'm pretty sure they had. Ask your mother.
I don't think she'd be old enough to remember.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see the current flowing? I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's cooking.
Oh my God, it's really moving.
That's why you're not allowed to get outside of them buoys. Could you be out heading towards Cuba,
You'd be smashing.
which is
into
that way.
These
You
pillars.
used to be able to walk clear out to the end of this. I wish you still could, but you can't. I have to come up here with my boat one of these days, because you can fly a drone off your boat. See what's going on down here. Usually there's people fishing. Oh yeah, somebody fishing there where the current's just ripping though.
Yeah, it is. Look at this guy coming.
Yeah, here comes a boat in.
battling that current pretty good.
That's the only obstacle on the ocean side is there used to be a tree on that island. It looks like a stub now.
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
He spotted his way through. Come on through. You're better off staying on that side. Okay, I gotta keep moving. Now I'm in the sun, but I'm looking for a Miami purple butterfly.
Ooh.
Well, they're purple.
No, they're blue.
Okay, they're hard to find. There's dragonflies, sea grapes. Oh, there's one. There he is. See him? Too far to get. He's right on top of that last weed that I'm pointing at. I seen him flying.
That's why I said it's too windy for him. The dragonflies are having a heck of a time.
Darn, I wish he'd fly a little bit. Okay. Well, we got to see at least one endangered species today. There goes a lizard.
Oh, there's a butterfly.
Yeah, there's all kinds of them.
They're not endangered, though.
No. This is butterfly habitat.
Oh, be careful. Twist your ankle.
Yeah. Okay. Headed down to the beach. Down to the beach.
There's a little gecko. Look at him sitting on the step right there.
Oh yeah. He's not camera shy neither.
Take your time. Yep.
Okay. It's windy over here too. Look at this little bird. I wish he would have sat still long enough to get a good look at him. It's a little blue bird. He just went flying off. Yeah. Okay. I think I might pause my video. Have a seat.